So, what's it called? The Dyson what?
Dyson multi-floor.
Dyson multi what?
Floor?
Floor?
I think so.
So exciting. Are you reading the directions or are you just winging it?
Just winging it.
Winging a prayer? I'll take that when you're done with it. So I can kind of look at it. If you don't need it for directions.
Story of Dyson. They even have a story.
Oh, it's the story of Dyson? Read it to me. I love books.
No, you got it. It's pretty long.
The story of Dyson. That's hilarious. Okay. Once upon a time, James wanted to put things together. He was interested in how they worked. Why does it do that? Just because it does has never sufficed as an answer. While at London's Royal College of Art, James Dyson developed the Sea Truck, a high-speed landing craft. Then came Ball Barrow. Its large red pneumatic ball stopped it sinking into soft ground. The trolley ball, boat launcher, and amphibious wheelboat followed. Pretty cool. Uh-huh. A local sawmill caught James' eye. Under cover of dark, he sketched the timber yard's giant cyclone. It spun sawdust out of the air, collecting it in a chamber. Could the same principle signal the end of clogging vacuum cleaner bags? 5 years and 5,127 prototypes later, a machine that had no bag and no loss of suction. No place for new technology. Uninterested in new technology and wedded to vacuum bags, major manufacturers turned James and his invention away. James eventually licensed his design in Japan, the home of high tech. The Japanese loved the pink G-Force, and in 1993, the royalties allowed James to manufacture a machine under his own name, DC-01. An inventor pays substantial fees to renew patents every year. Though he brushed with bankruptcy during the development years, for James it was money well spent. In 1999, after a lengthy court battle, Hoover Europe was found to have infringed James' patent. Other manufacturers, unable or unwilling to develop their own technology, will try to copy Dyson cleaners to no avail. James and his engineers develop inventions, but also improve upon existing Dyson technology. They are rather fastidious. Dyson machines now have smaller, multiple cyclones, which create greater centrifugal forces, capturing more microscopic dust than any other cyclones. Another problem to solve. Normal upright vacuum cleaners have fixed wheels running on a fixed axle. They move in straight lines like a push mower. A Dyson ball machine is different. It rides on a ball, pivoting on a single point, allowing it to go in any direction. Conventional electric motors haven't changed much in 100 years. Bulky and fragile. The brushes wear down and emit carbon dust. The Dyson digital motor is different. Controlled by a microchip, it spins up to 98,000 RPM, 5 times faster than a modern Indy car engine. Because of its speed, the digital motor is half the size and half the weight. With no brushes or fixed magnets, it doesn't emit carbon either. A Dyson engineer discovered that a high-speed sheet of air can act as an invisible wiper blade, literally scraping water from hands. With a 400 mile per hour airflow, the Dyson Airblade hand dryer takes just 12 seconds. Oh, and uses less energy than warm air hand dryers, but it's only possible because of the Dyson digital motor. He invented a hand dryer. Really? Sadly, engineering is often only seen as repairing, which is possibly why fewer young people choose it as a career. For James, engineering is about invention and technology. The James Dyson Foundation runs workshops across the globe where young people solve engineering challenges in a practical, hands-on way. Are we ready to turn it on?
Yeah, first one trust it is.
Sweet, look at that hose. That's a big hose.
Yeah, it is.
Does it wind up on there somewhere?
That's the main part.
Voila. Let me see it from the front view, Drew.
Alright, hold on.
Ooh, it's fancy. Is this going to be like the Husqvarna? I don't get to use it?
Yeah.
So since that's the Escalade, what would we call this?
Mercedes.
This is the Mercedes, okay. And he likes it. And he likes it. Yes, he does.
Hey.
Yes, he does. And he likes it. Good girl, Annie. What are you doing?
I left a bunch of sticky stuff on here.
They did?
The sticker did.
Oh, okay. So, is it self-propelled? That's what I want to know.
I don't know. I don't know.
Can I have the big book? So I can see the details? Thanks. Okay. What's it called? The DC-33?
I don't know.
It's a
That's how you
DC-33.
disconnect that one.
Ooh, do it again. Do it again. So show me how. Push down. Take it off. Then how do you empty it? Push that button and it all goes out the bottom? I'll figure it out. I'll look it up. If you look it up, darling. Man and his dog looking for the vacuum. Wow, it's pretty good pictures in there. It's all pictures, no words.
Wash filter with cold water at least every 3 months. Okay.
Uh-huh. Take it off. Push the button. Dump it into a bag.
What button?
This red button, that's right there on the other side, like you said, see?
This one?
Take it off. Push the button. Let's vacuum some up and then we'll figure it out.
Which other?
Da, 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 da. Woo! Did something go up there? What? Let's see. There. That's the on-off button. Man tries to figure out vacuum cleaner.
Are you videotaping?
I am. There's a picture on the front. Maybe that's the one you look at. I bet Mom can figure it out. Sorry, excuse me. Here. Let's see. So turn it on. I think you just Alan, here.